everyone, I'm Sharina Arlene Binuel. I'm your trainer for bread and pastry production NC2. I'm here to make decorate frosting with sugar icing. Baking
Tools and equipment.
tray, cooling rack, mixing bowl, wire whisk, measuring spoon and measuring cup, pastry bag and pastry tips. This is the ingredients. We have cookies, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 cup of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk and food color. Cookies, 1 cup of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk. Add food coloring to each desired intensity. In a small bowl, stir together with confectioner sugar and milk. Stir together. Beat the icing until smooth and glossy. Divide into separate mold. Use piping bag and tips. Pour in the piping bag. Decorate each cookies.